tonight, only on WRAL. Our team obtained a recorded confession connected to a local murder case, and we warn you, details are disturbing.
Fayetteville mother Avantae Deven is accused of killing two of her adopted children. This recording reveals a family member admitting to helping dismember one child's body.
WRAL Investigates' Chris Lovingood heard the confession and interviewed the person who recorded it.
Because of the heinous nature of the crimes and people asking us why aren't there more charges, we felt we needed to bring you what was said in the recording to give more context to how these crimes came about and who's being held responsible.
Everyone who is involved in this needs to be held accountable.
Nathan Mitchell says he knows the family member who admitted to dismembering the body of Blake Deven. Mitchell says that person called him April 25th, 2022, and he recorded the call. This was 2 years before the public learned the boy was missing.
Nathan, I need you to talk to me because I have something to tell you.
For transparency, Mitchell knew they were being recorded, but the caller did not. Mitchell says he and the caller were having an unrelated dispute, and he wanted a recording of the call to use as evidence against them. But the evidence he got that day appears to be a confession of what happened to Blake Deven's body after Avantae Deven's alleged neglect of the boy.
She starved him so much that she killed him, bro. And then she didn't call the ambulance. She didn't call the police. She didn't try and make up a story to tell them, oh, well, he passed away. Like, she literally had me buy a trash can, dude, and keep him in there for a month.
The caller then says Avantae Deven had them purchase a saw and then get rid of the body.
I had to watch his body burn. It's been on my mind, and I don't know what to do.
You start to think, like, okay, maybe this person's just lying about this for attention.
But after he heard about the news of Avantae Deven being arrested for murder, and after the FBI contacted him, Mitchell thought maybe there was some truth to what was said on the phone that day.
I actually forgot about it for, I guess, the 2 years before this case became known. And my wife kept telling me, like, you need to listen to this recording again. I heard that recording. I got, I think, 2 minutes into it. I was like, nope. Send us the detective right now.
Again, at the time, Mitchell says he thought the caller was just trying to get attention. Now, after hearing about the charges Avantae Deven faces, he says he could have done more.
I feel very guilty about this. I probably should have just dropped an honest tip, just even to make sure the boys are okay.
But he did get involved when he says he sent that recording to the FBI.
Now, if you scan the QR code on your screen, it'll take you right to the recording on WRAL.com. Because that person in the recording has not been charged, we have made edits to remove words that would identify the person, and we've altered their voice. For WRAL Investigates, I'm Chris Lovingood.
Now, WRAL reached out to the Fayetteville Police Department and the Cumberland County District Attorney. We asked if the FBI provided them with the recording, if the caller in the recording will face charges, and if not, why not? We haven't heard back yet, but tomorrow on WRAL, Chris will talk with a former Superior Court judge about why charges may not have been announced.